Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can create a folder right here on this computer, then create a subfolder within that particular folder, right? So let us get going. First, you want to right click. Notice when I right click, this is what happens. You come all the way here to new, go across, you click. Now this is the folder you create. You want to right click on that one you create and you want to click open. Right, let's get it up. They wanted to get a folder now within this folder. I can come right over here. You notice? And if I click on the down arrow, you notice here folder. Notice the folder right in here. So I can also right click, come right here to the new, just the same, and also get the folder. Right, so this itself is a folder within a folder called a subfolder. I come right here and close it. If you notice right there, right click again, open it. You notice you see two folder. So very important. So this is how we create a folder within a folder which is known as a subfolder. So hope you have learned something from this video. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.